Good morning, this is Bob here. Today we're going to jump ahead in time. Yes, this is the new 2024 Star Wars Advent Calendar. Obviously, these are only supposed to be opened on the 1st of December, but I thought, why not? Let's just give it a bash now and open it. So obviously there's, I think, 6 minifigures inside of this one. 24 sets, little sets, obviously, tiny micro build. Judging from the box, there's obviously ATT, X-Wing, Millennium Falcon, can't remember what that is. It looks like Princess Leia, Luke, 501 Trooper, I can't remember that name, and Ashoka. Looking on the back, there's a Y-Wing, some Imperial craft. I believe there's a super battle droid in here as well, so we'll have a look at that. Speeder. So yeah. We'll be opening obviously one at a time. I won't just open them up and just throw them around. I'll opening one at a time, then we'll give them a build. I hope you enjoy this. It's a bit early, so at least you know what you're getting in this advent calendar before it's actually released. Or before you're supposed to open it, sorry. And we're done. I mean, Bob fell over, terrible. Those are the spare parts. 3 million of them. 2 nice chrome lightsabers, which is cool. A lot of 1x1 plates, 1x1 plates. Yeah. In terms of what you get, let's do the ships first. I can't name them all, but I'll try to. Oh, there's another spare piece. No idea what that is. Please let me know what is that. I can't think. I've got to have a look and see what that is. The usual Y-wing, actually quite nice and detailed. Quite actually one of the nicer ones. Leia Falcon, always one of the nicer builds to get. I mean, they've put a lot of pieces into that. The Venator, also quite nice, lots of details behind it. I think this is the Ghost or the Phantom, one or the other. Not too impressed with this one. It's kind of blocky, kind of boring. I know they didn't have much to do with it, but it's okay. This is obviously one of that Mandalorian ship. I think it's not the greatest. Very, yeah. T-Fighter, I think this is Darth Vader's one, or just a normal one. I suppose if you do it that way. Normal T-Fighter. I suppose it's that way. The foot, or the Speedster, Luke Speedster, quite nice detailed. Obviously got the 2 minifigures they represented. So quite nice on that one. I don't know this is one of the Imperial ships. I can't remember the name. This is obviously from one of the newer series, which I haven't finished. Sand barge. Love the sails. Very small though, but it does work. 8080, the Walker. To me, it looks like a horse or camel. The legs are too long for this one. They should have used the shorter ones, but it looks like a horse. You can make a nice horse. Razor Crest, X-Wing. So yeah, those are the ships in total. Some of them are nice and detailed. Other of them are just okay. They did what they could. Now going to the minifigures. Got a Ashoka. I need to see if these is a new prints or prints from another set. Because if it's new and unique prints, that's actually quite cool for that. Obviously, arms, torso, and legs all printed, and back of torso is printed as well. Nice, clear 4 long bars, lightsabers. Super Battle Droid, always need one of those. Princess Leia with nice Christmas printed torso. Luke with also nice Christmas printed torso of Naboo there, of his home. Try to zoom in on that. 501 clone, and that's one of those guards, not too sure. And Bob's not included. So overall, nice arrangement. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minifigures. The rest are all ships. As I said, they quite some of the ships are quite nice, the rest are okay. But yeah, otherwise it was nicest advent calendar. And yeah, so I hope you liked what you watched. Please hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button. And I hope you get yourself one before Christmas, because now you know what's in here. So now you better get yourself one. So please hit that like and the subscribe button somewhere. Support Bob. Bob needs support. Until next time, see you later.